Hello everyone, welcome to the Oakley Home Access Showroom down in Narragansett, Rhode Island. We are here today with Tina Pedersen of Ramp. Tina is one of our cherished partners here in the community, advocating for inclusion for all. So today, she's done the pleasure of coming down to visit with us. We're going to talk a little shop. We're going to start off in the bathroom. As an occupational therapist, this was always my favorite place to work with folks as they're rehabbing, getting stronger, and making it more accessible. So what we have here is what we like to call a conservative remodel. So it's very simple things, minimally invasive things that we like to do to this space, but it can go a long way. And Tina's going to be able to try some of this stuff out in a little while. So we're very excited about that.
This is usually the first room that when you're starting to age in place or you're starting to lose mobility or whatever, is the room that you're going to adjust. So these minor adjustments in this room, you can still do it on your own for the most part, but it's minimally invasive, like Justin said, to do it. So I'm going to remove the tub while Justin keeps talking.
Here we go. So right here, Tina's already starting to work on the tub cut. So what we've done here in the showroom is we bought a perfectly good tub in hopes to simply cut it and turn it in to a walk-in shower. So in a matter of, I don't know, was that 4 seconds?
I think so.
Tina was able to transfer this standard 18-inch high tub into a walk-in situation, into a transferable situation. So, of course, we're always going to add grab bars as needed. So we look at where the individual is grabbing. A lot of times we're going to be reaching right here as we're stepping over. If we're transferring over into a seated situation, this is going to be our destination bar. So we want really something to reach towards. And then
this is a good bar to use if you're still walking and mobile, but you can't lift your leg as high and you need to step in, but you're still mobile enough. But that's going to be the bar that you're going to want to use whenever. So this is the chair.
Absolutely. So this is what we call a tub transfer bench. And as a young OT working in the rehab setting, when I heard about this device, it was a game changer. A lot of folks were unable to access their bathing area, their tub that they spent years entering and exiting, and now it's the most dangerous thing that they're going to do when there's some mobility impairments. So this bench is able to traverse that tub wall, which is the biggest barrier, and allow an individual to sit on the outside and bring themselves in. Now, I don't want to minimize this activity. It still takes a lot of work. There's definitely strength involved. There's definitely a lot of functional mobility required. It's not for everybody. We're going to demonstrate it today and see how it is.
I'm going to turn around because it's easier to transfer from the opposite side. It is my dominant side. It's my dominant hand. So you want to park. I am paralyzed from the waist down for those who do not know it. So you want to park as close to the bench as possible. Put one hand on the corner of the bench and use your wheelchair. Once you're comfortable, it's this back bar. You hold on to the back bar when you're transferring your legs into the tub and sliding yourself over to a comfortable position. So now you have the bar to hold on to. You have your shower nozzle right here so you can take a nice shower and whatever. It's nice and close to your body. So everything that you want to do and transferring out would be the same thing. Hold on to the bar, transfer your legs to the outside first. See where my footstool lands? Even in a manual chair, it's the same thing. My feet are on my footstool, so it gives you that little extra height. So now I'm going to transfer to this bar. Put your hand back on the corner onto your wheelchair and slide yourself right back into your chair.
That was fantastic, Tina. Very, very nice work. You were able to make that nice transfer. This tub cut situation being eliminated made it a lot more achievable for your legs to pass through. And I loved how you were able to demonstrate this mobile shower head. The last thing we want is a shower head fixed up here that the individual is not going to be able to control where the water goes.
So if there's one member of your family that doesn't have any mobility issues or impairments, You know, they would use a regular shower. The shower is still fitted for them. They could take a tub if they wanted to because they could put the insert in. But you can also remove it, use this, have all the bars and a shower head for yourself, so that way everybody in the family is accommodated and done the right way, and it's still beautiful. I mean, this is still a beautiful bathroom.
That's very well said, Tina. I love all of that. I have to talk for one moment about the shower curtain. Now what this is the alternative to the glass shower door. Now the glass shower door is one of our biggest rivals, our biggest enemies in home safety and accessibility. Tina, being fiercely independent, may not have a caregiver in here. When caregivers are involved, that glass shower door is really jamming them up and cutting off access to their loved one who they need to help. Also, getting into this space, oftentimes folks grab onto that shower door, and far too often do they go with it because it's not stable.
It's also the traps that the shower doors go into can pinch your legs, and me with having no feeling in my legs, when I did have the shower doors, was getting all banged up and bruised and cut up and didn't even realize it. So now you're opening yourself up to pressure sores and stuff, and it's just an enemy you just do not want to do, where the shower curtain is so much easier.
Absolutely, and this is 100% polyester. It's not like the ones that everyone pictures when we first mention the shower curtain. It's not the plastic ones that get moldy after a couple of weeks.
Right.
You can put this thing in the wash and start fresh. It wicks away the water. You do a nice fancy curved shower curtain like in the hotels, so that's nice. So yeah, anytime you have any questions whatsoever, want to talk shop, see if this is a fit for you, any of the equipment here, you can call us 401-429-3882. Please come visit the showroom at any time, 322 South Pier Road down here in Narragansett. Tina took the drive today.
Oh, I love the drive down here, but it's just so worth it so you can see it. But if you can't make it down here, they will come out and do free assessments in your home. They will do your entire home and give you ideas and not oversell you. Tell you exactly what you need for the mobility needs that you need now. That is the important thing. Don't wait till it's too late. Start doing them now.
Well, thank you so much for coming down today.
Anytime,
and
my
trying out
pleasure.
our equipment. You're such a treasured partner of ours in the community, and we really commend you for all your advocacy efforts. And we're just happy to have you. And thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you.